How to make digital planners to sell on Etsy. So hi guys, the first thing that I'm going to show you is the Etsy platform. So basically, if you have a business that involves on selling digital planners or other digital materials like what do you call this, like mock-ups for instance, or intangible items, then Etsy is the platform for you. So here I'm going to show you some examples of digital planners that are sold in Etsy. So if you're very crafty and you're very good at editing and curating, so this is the e-commerce platform for you. So here's an example of a digital planner. So as you can see, there are like 8,224 views in this video, or in this digital planner rather. Now here you can see that this is the cost. So if you multiply it to 8,224 and more, then you would be making about around like 888,000 pesos, which is quite a lot already. Now let's make our digital planners. Just simply go to canva.com. This is our simply go-to when we make, some video, social media posts. But for today, we're gonna make a digital planner basically. So we just need to go to the search bar, and click on digital planner, or type in digital planner basically. Now in this section, you will actually see different kinds of templates for a digital planner. So for example, we're gonna make a monthly planner. So here are some examples. If you see this icon right here, it means that it's only available for pro users, and for free account users, you're not able to make use of it. Or there are some elements in that specific template that's not available for you, basically. Now let me choose a template right here. So for instance, I'm gonna make use of this template right here. So this is a monthly planner, and I'm just gonna customize this template my way and my style. All right, now here we're being routed to the page basically with the design template right here. I'm just gonna change the font style of our planner right here. So for example, all right, let's start with the background instead. So I'm just gonna click on this square icon right here that has the color, and then let's add the plus sign and choose the color that you would like to add. Simply just drag into the color that you want to make use of. As for me, I want to make a yellow colored planner or themed planner. And then let's just simply drag the color right here if we're not yet satisfied. All right, so there, I'm gonna make use of this color. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is to simply change the font. So if we want to change the font style, go here and simply select the font style that you want. As for me, I would like to make use of Lemon Tuesday. All right, so there are some fonts that has bungee. So if we want to make or change all fonts that has bungee, we just need to click on this button, which is change all. As you can see, the font has changed, so it has become Lemon Tuesday instead of the other one that we had a while ago, which is bungee. Let me just position it here. All right, there you have it. Now the next thing that I'm gonna change is the color of the grid lines. So I'm gonna turn this white instead, and there. we can actually simply select change all, and as you can see, it has changed all the grid color lines. All right, now next step is to simply change the color of these boxes that we have right here. I'm going to choose a gradient color there below there, and then let's add this color as well. You can see this in the color section as well of your font or the element color. Now let me just delete the elements that we have in this specific design. I would like to make mine more personal. I just want to copy the, style. Not really style, but how it's formatted. And then in the elements section, let's just add some elements right here. I'm gonna look for some cute elements that I can make use of for this digital planner. So let me check here in lines and shapes if we can make use of anything. All right, let's go back. Now I'm just gonna simply type in cute elements and let's see. All right, so again, if you see this crown icon, that's for pro users only. If you're a free account user, then you're not allowed to use that one. You need to pay for it, basically. Let's go to the graphics section, since in this part you will see a wider selection. Here are some aesthetic stickers that we can make use of. Like for example, this really matches my color right here, color background. And I'm gonna add this flower as well right down below. So let me just reposition it there. And then let's arrange this one. Right click, arrange, and send backward. There. Now let me just reposition it real there. Okay, now once done repositioning, I am going to select a color that I can, make use of the flower, since we have a yellow color design which is very close to the color of the flower. Just gonna change this to this color. All right, and there you have it. Okay, so this is our digital planner basically. So I have just made a monthly planner right here. So again, you can actually choose a selection of elements or stickers here in the element section. Now once done, all you need to do is to simply download your design right here. Let's click on download, and as per suggested, it's PDF standard for this digital planner. So this is the best option as suggested by Canva. All right, and the next step that you need to do is to go to your Etsy store. So you can do that by simply going here, and you can see a store icon right here. That's your shop manager. Now click on that one, and by then you will just be downloading your photo or your digital planner in that area. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.